Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Microsoft Outlook for free. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm going to show you two ways. So the first way is going to your Microsoft Store. Simply search for Microsoft Store in the search bar. Give it some time to load up, and then once the Microsoft Store has loaded, here we want to search for Office 365. Alright, so if we scroll down, as you can see, the Microsoft 365 Copilot app is free, so click on it, and then right here, it should say Get instead of Open. I already have this installed. Okay, the second way, if this doesn't work for you, is going to Google and again searching for Office 365. Then, you want to log into the official Microsoft 365, so click on the website here. It will ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. Now, right here at the top corner, you should see this option called Install Apps. Now, as I already have free plan to it, is saying me to go premium in order to install more premium apps, because Microsoft is no longer provide free installation of apps. But instead, you can use Microsoft Outlook for free in your Office 365 website. Simply search for Outlook and click on it, and then it will ask you to sign into your account. Once you signed in, you will be able to use Microsoft Outlook for free. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.